We get an outside range day in the September copper futures. The rally fails in copper midday today and falls to a lower level than yesterday. The low today, 4.0615, which was down 2.75% compared to yesterday's low, 4.0865. The high today, 4.2235, was up 1.13% compared to yesterday's high of 4.2095. There's your outside range day. Copper is closing virtually at the low and is doing so on very good initial volume. Remember, this is not official volume, it's initial volume, all of which is a fairly bearish signal. In the last 19 sessions, copper has had only 4 sessions where the close was higher than the previous day's close, and with 1 day left, copper looks ready to close lower for the 4th consecutive week and the 9th week in the last 11. PMI data, part of the reason small business manufacturing PMIs and ISM manufacturing PMIs in the US are contracting. They're in contraction territory. Small to medium-sized business PMI were revised higher in all the major markets except the UK, but Germany and the EU remain in contraction territory on the manufacturing side. The US also was still in contraction territory, 49.6, and the ISM PMI, the big one, dropped to 46.8. Well into contraction territory, while the pricing index rose to 52.9 versus 52.1. Why does this matter? Copper is an industrial metal and manufacturers use copper. So obviously in anticipation of weaker demand. Also, we have a risk asset sell-off, and the general sell-off of risk assets includes industrial metals. Stocks down quite a bit today. The Nasdaq was down over 3% at one point, so that's weighing on metals as well. Looks like we're going to finish down over 2.5% on the day.